In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear website cache in WordPress. Caching helps your site load faster by storing copies of pages, but when you make design or content changes, that stored copy can hang on a bit too long. Clearing or purging, the cache forces WordPress to serve the newest version of your site. I'll walk you through the process using a popular caching tool available through the WordPress.com interface. First, sign into your WordPress.com dashboard and open the site you want to manage. From the left sidebar, go to the Plugins area. This is where you can browse tools that add features to your site. If you don't immediately see the Plugins option, it usually means your current plan doesn't support third-party plugins. That's normal on some tiers of WordPress.com, and I'll explain what to do in a moment. Inside the Plugins section, use the search bar and type Lightspeed Cache. This is a well-known caching plugin that gives you clear, simple controls to purge your site's cache. When the results appear, look for Lightspeed Cache and review the details, like the description and ratings, so you know you're selecting the correct tool. Taking a minute here helps ensure you're installing the intended plugin and not a similarly named alternative. Next, choose the Lightspeed Cache plugin. On WordPress.com, installing third-party plugins may require a plan upgrade. If you see a prompt to upgrade, that's the platform letting you know you need a plan that supports plugins before you can proceed. If you decide to upgrade, follow the on-screen steps from WordPress.com, then return to the plugins page and enable Lightspeed Cache. After activation, you'll typically see a Lightspeed menu in your WordPress admin bar or in the dashboard menu. Within that menu, you'll find options to purge or clear the cache. The most direct option is usually labeled Purge All or Clear All Cache. Use that when you want to ensure every part of your site is refreshed. It's a good idea to clear the cache right after major updates to your theme, plugins, or site design. For smaller edits, you can refresh specific parts if the plugin offers targeted purge options, but Purge All is the simplest way to guarantee a clean slate. After purging, visit your site in a private or incognito window to confirm that your changes appear as expected. If something still looks outdated, your browser may be holding onto its own cache. A hard refresh or clearing the browser cache can help you see the latest version. That's it. Now you know how to clear your website cache in WordPress using the Plugins page and Lightspeed Cache.